both of us. Hey, so I'm at Stack Burger Bar in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and we're trying out. You want to tell them what we're trying?
Okay, I've got a turkey burger, sweet potato fries, sriracha wings, fried pickles. He has fried eggplant fries.
Eggplant fries.
And you got your sweet potato fries and the Impossible Burger.
Sweet potato fries, Impossible Burger. It's going to be my first time trying the Impossible Burger. And I had this New Glarus Belgium Red. I love this beer right here. It's made right here locally in Wisconsin. And let's see, what were you trying? You were trying the Bloody Mary.
It's called the Kick-Ass Bloody Mary. It has jalapeno infused vodka, and it has garlic that gives it this nice kick-ass taste, and it is bomb. Because we do Bloody Marys, and this is the best one we've had so far.
And so I'm gonna try the Impossible Burger for the first time. This is J-Hen trying the Impossible Burger for the first time. I need some ketchup. Let me get some ketchup. So I have lettuce, tomato, Swiss cheese, pickle. I'm gonna put a little ketchup on here. I overdo it with ketchup. A little mustard. Tilt the camera over a little bit more. A little ketchup. That's probably a lot of mustard to you guys, and probably a lot of ketchup.
That is a lot of ketchup.
So I'm gonna try the Impossible Burger. Kind of looks like real meat there. Let's see. I'm gonna break a piece off. Camera can't focus, but it looks like real meat. It looks real. Put it up a little bit. So.
What do you think?
I'm almost wondering if this really an Impossible Burger. I'm kind of.
Are you being serious? It tastes like meat to you?
I hope you gave me an Impossible Burger.
Let me look at it.
That's not no meat, is it?
It looks like meat. And granted, I don't know what like beef tastes like, so I wouldn't.
It looks like meat. This ain't no. I'm confused. It looks like meat.
Yeah, it doesn't look like. You should ask him to make sure.
You have to ask again. I haven't ate a hamburger in years, but it tastes like meat, like really. Like
Wow.
meat.
Let me ask him.
I'm going to ask my.
That's the Impossible Burger, right?
The Impossible Burger?
Is it? What do you mean? Yeah, this is the beef is the Impossible Burger.
This is?
Because he's saying it tastes like meat.
Oh, okay. I'm like.
So he's making
Can
sure.
you double check something like that?
I ain't ate a burger in a long time, but. I ain't ate a burger, but I'm like, okay. We're gonna see.
I'm gonna have you the camera back, Joe.
Hopefully I ain't been set up.
I need 2 hairs.
Hopefully I ain't been, let's see.
I wouldn't know.
Hopefully I ain't been set up for the okie doke.
Wow.
That's how good it is.
Okay, so they're telling me it's the Impossible Burger.
When you said that, I was like, you can
I
show me
wanted
the
to say
video.
meat.
Okay.
I wouldn't
When you
like
said
it.
that, you had me double guess myself. Like, oh, that's
Okay.
Impossible Burger. That's how good it is.
Impossible Burger, okay.
You don't mind being filmed, right? He has like a YouTube channel.
Totally, I figured it was.
Okay.
No, it confuses people. There's actually a great video of Jeff Goldblum talking about the Impossible Burger.
Okay.
It's like, if you like that blood, it's like fake blood. Oh, you know how he acts all
Yeah.
eccentric? No, I'm glad you enjoyed it. When you asked me that,
Yeah, I
it
was
messed
gonna
me up
double
for a second.
check.
I was
Yeah,
like,
okay. So it's the
I
Impossible
wonder
Burger.
would I like it? Because I.
So they did a good job with this Impossible Burger because
Johnny took a bite and was like,
it
"Wait a minute,
actually
this meat."
has like a real meat taste. To me, I know everybody's different, but to me it tastes like meat. As you guys saw, I had to ask the server to confirm and make sure, but wow.